This is the time of the year when we celebrate a great woman, a woman of God, my mom, Ruth Makandila. She loves God so deeply. She is beautiful inside and outside. She is so welcoming. She is a teacher. She has taught me to be fearless. She has taught me to be a great mom, and she has taught me to be a wonderful wife to my husband. She exhibits the Proverbs 31 woman. Her walk through life is a teaching through her actions. My mom is a visionary. She leads us into a future that she has already seen. Her character exhibits greatness. She is a giver. She gives the needy. She has allowed so many children to be educated. She gives food. She gives shelter to the homeless. This is why she is a woman worth to be celebrated today.
That is why we celebrate you, our mother, on such a special occasion as your birthday, because you have impacted us in different ways in our life. You've made us better each and every day. I would like to wish you a wonderful, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Love from me and our family.